Former Asante Kotoko player, former captain of the side, wabo El Clasico ene eba so no wabo various number of matches okra experience regards to Kotoko he has. Ahead of the game no the nsem to you and nsem all can or check Kotoko for players especially about how to win this particular game. Nsem no ewa ha me de bro e wofi aha super 24 TV whatever unsubscribe ya na hit the rest subscriber to know about man so otahe but unsubscribe myself subscribe na in grow together. Amos Frimpong the former captain of Commercial Sante Kotoko Ochemu said Kotoko ekra the upper hand to win that particular game na didn't tell okasa ni nyina ewa ha mere bro na ose so eche Kotoko they also mo especially the players the strikers ewo animu ho no nsebo kan no ewa ha ma memfa quickly na yenkoyenim. Also games involving the two sides are always difficult, but this time Kotoko looks favorite based on their last 3 games. Also Kotoko looking favorite based on their last 3 games. They need to keep their composure in front of the goal. Also keep your composure, especially draw anymore any kwanza ho pray and also feeling nervous. I've watched them and they create a lot, but for their composure they will have scored more. Opposite teams Kotoko create more, but I had a lack of composure until one said they've been missing the chances. When most people expect Kotoko to beat Hearts of Oak in Kumasi is when the latter shows up. Well, and also any summer or count at the to na ohuni say Kotoko one key thing especially going out to the forwards Kotoko players or more anymore they say keep your composure and the defense too you keep your composure well so because a little mistakes then House of Oak will punish you but in himself Kotoko will score more and then some